Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one gorgeous 67 Dart, man. Take a look at the restoration on this car, man. You do not see these cars done to this level ever. You can see that grille, the bumper, everything, all the trim, everything's looking brand new on this car. Just absolutely gorgeous. Love the color too. I mean, this thing just sets off the day, man. She is gorgeous. 273 under the hood, just straight as an arrow. Body man, paint man, everybody knew what they were doing when they did this one. She is gorgeous. Magnum 500s on there, looking good. The stance is looking killer. All the body lines, like on the door there, everything's flushed up, everything's nice and even. All the moldings have been polished, looking good. The door handles look brand new. And check out the interior on this beauty, man. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, it looks like 1967 in here. This car may look better than it did in 1967. She is gorgeous. We got seat belts in the back seat. The package tray's looking good. The headliner's looking good. All the paint there's looking good. Look at that black paint, man. Just shining, looking great. Then, of course, it's got the Mopar 4-speed in it. Just looking absolutely gorgeous, inside, outside, upside, downside, bottom side, everything looking good on this car, man. I would be proud to take this car anywhere. She is gorgeous. What's really cool about this car too is you just do not see these cars very often whatsoever. I love the stance on it. Then look at the tail panel here and the chrome on the back bumper. All the moldings there on the deck lid, everything just looking sweet. Inside the trunk, again, looks like it's brand new in there, man. She is gorgeous. The team that did the restoration on this thing knocked it out of the park, man. Like I said, take this thing anywhere you want. You will be proud of this car. Look down that passenger side. You can get a real good look at the stance. You can get a real good look at the bodywork too, man. Hundreds of hours in the bodywork on this car, straight as can be. Metallic is laid on there, just as perfect as can be. I mean, she is absolutely gorgeous. As you can tell, I love this little car. I love cars that you can get in, drive to a car show, and probably be one of the most popular cars there. Because again, guys just don't do cars like this to this level. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive. Let's take the 67 for a ride, man. I'll tell you what, this little Dart may have a small block in it, but you can hear that 4-barrel kick in, and she has got some giddy up and go, baby. 4-speed, having a blast driving this thing. I'll tell you what, she sets you back in the seat. I mean, it's driving nice and straight. Just an amazing little piece here. Upshift, downshift, man. What a cool little vehicle, man, and the brakes are working good too. Get around this corner, just like I'm road racing, baby. Now, we got one sweet looking dash down here too. You can see that the speedo's working. That looks like the fuel gauge, temperature gauge. We got the alternator there. Now, the AM radio is playing AM stations. This car is equipped with air conditioning also. Now, there's a couple of splits in the wheel. Well, right behind my driver's seat, we got a brand new wheel. So this thing will have a brand new steering wheel in it. You don't have to worry about those splits. Steering wheel will look like it's brand new. Tell you, I just love the sound of this thing going through the gears. It sets you back in the seat, looking good, feeling good. We can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about it. We can also help you out with financing. So don't hesitate to call Tom. He can tell you all about it. He'll take care of all the paperwork. And don't forget, we're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can see just how beautiful the bottom side is too. We do that with every car here at Vanguard. So we're heading back to the shop right now to put her up on the lift so you can check it out for yourself. If you got any other questions, call Tom. You want any other closer photographs of the car, call Tom. He will take care of you. Stick with us. We're going in the air with this one right now. So check this baby out on the bottom side. Man, she is pretty. First thing you see, it's got signal exhaust coming out the back with this Smithy type resonator. Just looking sweet, man. You can see the bottom of the trunk floor is looking good. The fuel tank's also looking good. It looks like it's more than likely a new unit. Spring packs look like they're rebuilt units. The shackles look like they're rebuilt units. The struts are not struts, but the shocks look like they're new. The drums look new. The brake line, all that looks good. And here at Vanguard, as we pull the brakes apart on every car and check out the installation and make sure everything's put together right. You see the U-bolts look like they're new. The bushings in the front here look like they're new on the springs. Drive shaft's been all cleaned up. It looks like it's original, but it's been all cleaned up. Looks like bare metal, looking sweet. You can see these floorboards have all been coated with what looks like a bed liner material. It's gray like the primer that probably came on these cars originally. I see the brand new brake line going front to back, the brand new fuel line, all new hardware here holding down the seats it looks like. Of course, we got the 4-speed Mopar trans here. Stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage. We got an O2 bung here, so if you want to put an O2 sensor in there to tune this thing. We got disc brakes up front. Lower control arms look like they're brand new 1967s. All the steering gear looks good. Looks like it's got fairly new ball joints in it. Big sway bar up front. K-members in good looking shape here. The radiator core support here all looks great. I mean, the insides of the wheelhouses look good. The chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. Up in those wheelhouses, it's all nice and clean up in there. You guys are gonna have to make sure you keep that all clean for me. You get to a car show, you're gonna wanna put a mirror underneath your car and show off the bottom side. Now, this car's had Magnum 500s added to it, which is super cool. And we got 205 60-15s up front. Tires and wheels are brand new. Whenever you're looking at a car, you want to feel around on the back side of the rocker. If you can get your head up under there, you want to take a look at that. Whenever you're looking at a Mopar with this strut front end, you want to make sure you look at this cross member right here, make sure it's in good shape. You can see everything under here, all the body braces, everything, the pinch well, the bottom side of the rocker, everything's looking sweet. Now out back, got the same good looking Magnums. Now these are 215-65-15s out back. And again, the wheel wells there are all cleaned up, looking sweet, all coated with that same bed liner material. I mean, just beautiful on the bottom side, just like the top. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down and take a look at that engine up front. Under the hood here, we got the 273 with a Carter 4-barrel sitting on top, and it is looking sweet, baby. We got manual brakes on this one. It looks like the master cylinder is new. The firewall is all painted up, looking good. You can see that wiring harness also looking good. Really cool. They've got the top on the battery here to make it look like an old-fashioned battery. We do have the battery shut off. We suggest that you shut it off. We do have the tag here on the inner fender. You can see the paintwork there is all looking sweet. The exhaust manifold's looking good. The valve cover's looking good. The aftermarket air conditioning also. All the hoses, all the wiring here, just everything on this thing is looking beautiful. Now this little valve you see right here, looks like it's a manual cable that goes under the dash. You shut that off to shut off the hot water to the heater core so that the air conditioner doesn't have to compete with that hot heater core in that box. Guys, this is one beautiful car right here. You're not gonna find a 67 nicer than this one, so call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.